Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel Dream of Crafts, and today we'll be working on week 13 of my 52 weeks of Christmas. I've prepped some things, so this should be a nice quick video, and let's get started. So I've just taken a Snowflake. You can get these usually in a pack. I think these ones came from Walmart. They come in a pack of them. I think, I don't know, 20 maybe or so in a pack. And I've just put a red ribbon through for the hanger. They come with a little, just a little thin hanger. I've pre-placed a sticker from the sticker sheet of Graphic 45. Let me grab that and I'll show you that. And it is from... Hang on here, grab it. Sorry about this. It is from, gotta get the right one here. It is from the Christmas Carol collection. And I have a sheet, of course, that is being used up, so it came from this one, but it is from the Graphic 45 Christmas Carol Collection sticker sheet, and I just backed it on black cardstock. And I also had pre-selected Christmas Joy, Christmas Cheer, and Here We Come a Caroling. I've also backed those on black cardstock, and those will be in. I have some some snowflakes from this box here. And I've had it for a long time, so Hobby Lobby. So that was a Hobby Lobby item, but I've had it for years. I've got some pine cones, some of these balls from this pick that coordinate well with that. Some fabric holly leaves, and let's get started. So my glue gun's nice and hot. So like I said, I put this on black cardstock. I've placed some pop-up foam there, and I just cut off my scraps so that they don't go to waste instead of just using the dots. And I'm gonna set these off to the side here a little bit, like so. Maybe I better glue those down first here. There we go. Just add a little glue here. And I want some of the snowflake to show, so that's why I'm kind of putting these off to the side, because there's no sense of having the snowflake and then cover the whole thing up. So let's go and just rewarm this glue here a little bit. And we're going to just set that on there like that. And let that glue drip down in. I see it's dripping through there, which is good. And I'm just going to kind of press this down on there so it adheres. Ooh. All right, that one got me. Nice and hot. Trying to cool off that glue string so it stops pulling away. Let's just set that there like that a second to let it cool. Oh goodness, and then set it right in there. You ding dong. Good thing I've got some other things to cover it up, huh? Because now I got a little glue on there. Oh, I might pull off. There we go. Tip number 1, do not sit your piece you're working on back down in the glue that's hot, that's dripped out. Okay. There we go. I actually want this tie on the back side. There we go. And now I've got these little things here. I'm just going to some glue on these and, oopsie, slide them back in there. Everything's going to want to leak through there. Okay, so right there, the glue is plenty hot. Trying to cool it down a little bit. All right. Keep that spinning so the glue stays there. I'm actually trying to get this in the between, in the green, not back behind. Glue is staying hot back there. Let's see here. Trying to find the spot that this can go in. Yeah. That's got some hot glue already there. So I'm just going to let that set up in there like that. Okay. Just like so. All right. Let's see what we got here. This is cute here. Have these little red things here. Cut over top of the. I guess right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and glue on some of these little pine cones here. These are just little tiny pine cones I've collected myself, and I used them in quite a few of my videos so far. So that's what we got so far there. You can make your own ornaments for your tree and just select a theme and kind of go with it. You get a package of those, 15 or so, and I'm just gonna, this is a little bit bigger one. I'm gonna kind of place him to cover up these wires there, like so. And then let's just go ahead and get some of these stars. Or snowflakes, I mean, not stars, I'm sorry. Get a lot of these in a pack. Like I said, I've had these for a couple of years, so I don't even know if they had them last year still. They quite often change out their things, but sometimes they keep the same items for years, and they're, these would probably been in the Christmas craft part there. Right where they keep the kids' crafts and things, so I think over by their paper stash. There we go. Let me move this out of the way here. Whoops. Let's throw those away. Make it a little easier to see it. Just a nice, simple little ornament. That's cute. Let's slide another one of these in there. Maybe like right in here. There we go. So you can still see the snowflakes. Slide in there. There we go. Glue strings. Yeah. I think that's perfect. So we're going to leave it at that. And that is our, whoops, oh, we got our little tags here that we created. Let's put some of these on. Yeah, let's get some of these on there. Let's, we'll do Here We Come a Caroling right there. And by placing it on that leaves of that thing there, it pops it right up. We're letting that glue drip down there. Maybe just a little bit more here. There we go. I want to make sure it's secure. I'll let the hot glue just drip down on there. Perfect. We have Christmas Joy. I'm going to go ahead and stick that right there. And again, a nice dab of glue there. And then that will drip right down on there. There we go. And then our last one is Christmas Cheer. So let's go ahead and stick that right. Let me stick that right there. Just like that. We'll slide that right under there on an angle different than the others. All right, right here. There we go. Okay, there. That is week 13 of 52 weeks of Christmas. I hope you're following along, and if you, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe to my channel, please hit that bell so you can be notified each time I put up a new video. I do lots of other types of crafts and mini albums and things like that, a good variety of things. And thumbs up is always appreciated. And until the next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.